In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your Trello account step by step. Whether you're managing client projects, team workflows, or personal task boards, having a backup of your Trello data is extremely important. Accidents happen, boards get deleted, permissions change, and sometimes you just want a secure offline copy of everything. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of exporting your Trello boards safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that Trello backups are done per board. That means you'll need to export each board individually. There isn't currently a one-click full account export option inside Trello, so keep that in mind if you manage multiple boards. Step 1. Go to Trello and open the board you want to back up. Log into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board that contains the data you want to save. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on to the next step. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots, also known as the board menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up additional options and settings related specifically to that board. After clicking the 3 dots, the sidebar menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Print, Export, and Share. Go ahead and click on that. This section contains the export tools that Trello provides for backing up your board data. Now you'll see the export options available to you. Trello gives you 2 main formats. Export as JSON and export as CSV. If your goal is a full backup for complete data recovery, you should choose Export as JSON. The JSON file contains all the board data, including cards, lists, descriptions, due dates, comments, attachments, references, labels, and much more. This is the best option if you want a true backup that can potentially be restored or migrated later. On the other hand, if you mainly want to analyze your tasks in a spreadsheet or create reports, you can choose Export as CSV. The CSV file works well with Excel or Google Sheets, but keep in mind it does not include absolutely everything that the JSON file does. So for full security and backup purposes, I strongly recommend choosing Export as JSON. Go ahead and click Export as JSON. Your browser will then download the file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may either save directly to your Downloads folder or ask you where you'd like to save it. Now, this next step is very important. Once the file downloads, make sure you save it to a secure location. Don't just leave it sitting in your Downloads folder. Move it to a dedicated backup folder on your computer, an external hard drive, or a secure cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. If the board contains sensitive client or business information, make sure the storage location is properly secured. And remember, this process must be repeated for each board individually. If you have 5 boards, you'll need to open each one and export them separately. It only takes a minute per board, but it's something many people overlook. That's it. You've successfully backed up your Trello board. By exporting your data regularly, you protect yourself from accidental deletions, account issues, or unexpected changes. It's a simple habit that can save you a lot of stress in the future. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.